Now I'm going to show you how to figure out what the cost of sales will be for the upcoming year. The book tells you that the percentage is going to stay the same. That doesn't mean that the dollar amount will stay the same. What we want to do first is figure out what the cost percentage is. So remember in our book and what we talked about in lecture is that the formula is food costs divided by food sales. So start with the equal sign. So our cost of food sold divided by our food sales. It's going to give us 35%. Now let's figure out what our beverage is. So we're going to do cost of beverage sold divided by our beverage sales. So here you can see that this current year, our food cost percentage is 35% and our beverage cost percentage is 22%. Now we need to figure out what our upcoming year is. So we're going to take the equal sign again, and we know what our upcoming year beverage sales is. So we're going to take that and we're going to multiply it by our food cost percentage, 35%, and that's going to tell us how much. So as you can see, last year the cost of sales for food was $392,337 with a 35% food cost. This year, however, with the same 35% food cost, we will spend $411,953.85 to have that same food cost percentage. And we'll do the beverage. We're going to take our beverage sales times 22%, and that's going to show us as well. And our total cost of food is going to be our food cost plus our beverage costs. Now you figured out, we started with $1.6 million in sales. To figure out what our gross profit is, we're going to take those total sales and we're going to subtract our total cost of sales, and that's going to give us our gross profit. This number here, the $1.1 million in sales, this is how much money we have left over after we've paid for our cost of sales. This is how much money you have left to pay for everything else.